and see what is the difference. You can see that there is a lot of difference in the look and feel, but the layout remains almost same. Now let's start the user application to see the comparison, and also let's start the administration application and look at the difference. Okay, now we have both the administration applications open. Just see how the layout is and the difference in the UI. Now let's move on to the user application of SIMDist SmallWorld 5. SIMDist is a top layer product on Evo, and Magic Minds has exposed all the 4 buttons that are related to SIMDist on Evo 5. Feel the difference in the UI? Now let's open the simulation interface and run a simulation. You can observe that the build network is not enabled. So let's open the version management and make the SIMDist dataset writable. As SIMDist dataset is not design managed, we have to go via version management. I'm going to the SIMDist dataset, creating a new alternative, and making it writable. You may now observe that build network is enabled. So I'll select all the required options, then add all the networks I want to simulate. I'm selecting Born Primary substation and its 4 feeders. Now clicking on run will simulate the network and create a study file for me. Those who are aware of SIMDist can also see that there is some performance improvement here. The same scenario when we executed in SIMDist 434 and when we have done that here, we have seen 20% improvement. This is still a beta version. Still we have seen some improvement. You can even expect better performance. Now since go to option is also selected, the map will zoom to the bounds of the network of selected networks for simulation. After simulation, the go to will happen, and we have another option, filter network, which would filter electric data set and show only electric objects on map that are selected in networks for simulation. The background land trace will remain same, but only the electric data set will be filtered. Now the start SIMDist has already started my SIME application. Also at the background you would have seen that map was refreshing to the bounds. So now I have the network in SIME application. All the 4 feeders and the substation have been exported. You can even go to the substation, look at the internals of it. If I zoom, you can observe that all the 4 feeders that we exported along with the substation are attached to Born Primary substation. Just observe the network, how it is, and also you can observe the same network in Evo as well. So the same network has been now exported to SIMDist as a study file through simulation interface. We'll now move on to export tool. The export tool is showing all the database connections that we have in the third-party SIME application. You can select a required database where you want to export and also select all the networks that you want to simulate. These are already simulated networks. You just want to export them to the database. I am selecting clear target database, which will clear any database that is existing and only show you the selected networks for that in simulation dialog. So here we can see the summary that the networks are being exported. Let's wait for this to finish. Yeah, it's finished. Now you can open the SIME application, connect to the database where we have exported the network. Yes, you have all the networks that have been exported. And again, the same network but into the database permanently instead of a study file. Thank you.